Hello my creative and artistic friends, Olga Sobi here and welcome to a new acrylic pouring video. Today I want to do a new ocean-inspired traveling open cup technique, and again I want to do it on a color split base. I think this technique works really amazing with the color split base, with having two different colors for your negative space. And today again I want to go for the white and dark turquoise. These colors work amazing together. And after doing the traveling open cup, which by the way, as always, I'm going to be using the round cookie cutter for that. So after doing the traveling open cup technique, I want to use the same tool to create some swipes and wispy designs. I have done it a few times before, for example, like in this piece. And it just creates really cool shapes and splashes of colors. I really like that effect, so I want to really play with it more today. Let's see how that's gonna work out. All of my colors are mixed with Floetrol and water. No silicone. I'm not gonna be using any silicone today. And as always, I'm gonna include all the tools, colors, mixture, recipe, and all the details in the video description. So please check it out. And now, let's get started. Alright, so today I'm working on 12 by 16 wood panel. As always, it's primed with gesso and I have taped the sides. Felicity is a secret message today. So in my dark turquoise, and I want to have it on the bottom with sort of diagonal layout. I want to add some ultramarine over my turquoise to create more depth feeling in this layer. Alright, the base is all done. Let's layer colors in the open cup. So first is aqua green. Oops! It's all good. This one here is ultramarine. This here is deep magenta. Next is crimson red for some contrast. Of course, some gold. And this one here is a mix of orange and white, so very soft color. Maybe a touch more of aqua. The cup is ready, so now let's travel it. Oh, these colors! So beautiful, and look at these cells! Okay, now let's get this open cup dancing. Let's do some swipes with it. Awesome, looks super cool. I am tilting a bit to stretch out those cells. This section here is gorgeous, it's probably my favorite. Makes me think of a dragon's eye. I want to move this cup some more. I really like the wavy design it creates. Okay, the top looks super fun. I want to also get some of that movement in my turquoise section. I think this ultramarine looks really great here. It just adds more details, and I would say it makes this section look a lot more interesting by adding these just small details and more depth to it. When I'm working on a piece like this, I like to step away sometimes and just really look at the composition to get a better feel and see if there is anything I want to change, or maybe it's time to stop. Always helps to step away and look from the distance. Okay, after a few touch-ups, I think it's time to stop. And I must say, I am totally in love with this wispy, wavy effect from the open cup. Okay, now let me show you some of these details. I am totally getting a coral reef vibe from this piece. What do you think? I am looking forward to hearing from you and to chat with you in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!